Hello, namaste to all the wonderful and beautiful viewers watching my video right now. This is me, Dolly, your friend, your host, and I'm here again in front of you with another beautiful, exciting candle making video. And guys, this video is the most awaited and the most requested video on my channel till date. And I'm really thankful to all those viewers and subscribers who are waiting since so long for me to bring this topic in front of you all. And I'm also feeling very happy to reveal the secret behind the making of these beautiful carving candles. Okay guys, so the first thing you must know that what is this candle, what is the name of this candle. So this candle is known as carving candle. It is also known as carved candle, is a hand carved candle, cut and carved candle, dip and carved candle, cut and curled candle. So these are the different names of this beautiful candle. And I must have shown some other beautiful pictures also of these beautiful carved candles, but I don't want any copyright strike on my channel. That's why I'm showing you the basic carved candles. And in this video, I am more into revealing the secret or making the recipe of creating this beautiful candle and not showing you the cut and carve method, but I'll show you in brief. So the first thing you need to create this beautiful carved candle is this kind of wax melter machine. And this wax melter machine comes in different sizes, like some contains 4 wells or 5 wells, and then 8, and then 10, and then 12. It depends on your requirement. And the type of business you are doing. Like if you are into candle making business, and I must say that this machine is really necessary for you. But if you are doing candle making just as your hobby and just for fun or anything, or if you are a small candle making if you are running a small candle making business, then there is no need to buy such high-end wax melter machine. You can create your own DIY wax melter at home, like the one I'm showing in this video. So this is the first thing. Now the second thing we need is paraffin wax. Okay, so this candle can be created only with paraffin wax, and you have to choose the paraffin wax having medium melting point. And why I'm saying you that you can create these beautiful carved candles only using paraffin wax, because paraffin wax is easy to carve, and it is more flexible than any other wax, and that's why paraffin wax is the best wax to create these beautiful carved candles. Soy wax is a complete no for this. And if you are thinking about beeswax, then guys, yes, you can create a beautiful carved candle using beeswax, but I haven't tried yet. If you want to try, please try and let me also know that how your carved candles come out. Now let's move on to the next important ingredient to create this beautiful carved candle, without which you cannot bring the beauty of these candles out. And the important ingredient is the pigment, or you can say the wax dyes or the wax colors for candle making. So I request you to use only good quality candle making colors only. Please don't use wax crayon. If you are thinking about using wax crayon, it is a complete no. Please don't try to use wax crayon in creating these beautiful carving candles, otherwise you will ruin your candle. And now let's move on to the another important supply which we need to create a beautiful carving candle, and it is the carving tool. Okay, so without carving tool you cannot create those beautiful effects onto your candle. So carving tool is must, and these carving tools are very easily available on any online shopping site. Especially I'm using Amazon for purchasing all these things, so it is easily available on Amazon. And I'm also giving the link in the description box for all those who are living in India. If you want to purchase it from there, you can directly click the link and purchase it from the Amazon. And guys, let's move on to the another and the most important supply which you need to create this beautiful carved candle. Definitely all the supplies, all the ingredients are very important when you create something very beautiful. So this is the candle shiner dip. To bring that glaze, to bring that shine onto your carved candle, it is very important to dip into the candle shiner dip. And the dip which I am showing you here is the one which I have purchased it from a candle making supplier. So I'm also mentioning his name and number in the description box, so you can ask it from him also. And also if you want to purchase any other item, you can ask about that too. And the another most important supply to create this beautiful carved candle is definitely the candle making mold. You can create this carving effect on any of the shape, like you can create a carving effect on pillar candle, on spherical candle, but mostly people are using the star shaped candle mold. So I prefer you to buy this only, and it is very easily available at any online shopping site. And now guys, after all this, it's time to reveal the name of that secret ingredient without which you cannot create beautiful carved effect onto your candle. And I'm really feeling very happy in revealing the name of that secret ingredient, but I don't know why I'm feeling so happy. Like, no one is revealing the secret. Why I'm revealing this secret on my channel? Okay guys, but I'm doing this for you all, because I want you all to create beautiful candles, because you people are candle lovers like me. So this is for you all, and the name of that secret ingredient is, please note down, the name of that secret ingredient is microcrystalline wax. Okay, so microcrystalline wax is a petrolatum product, and it is 99% pure wax. It is 99% pure wax, and because of this high efficiency, because of this high percentage of its purity, it is mostly used in cosmetic industry also. So we are using this microcrystalline wax. We are already using this microcrystalline wax in our beauty products. Okay guys, so I am also sharing the link in the description box from where you can buy this microcrystalline wax. It is easily available on Amazon in India. Please search in your country that whether it is available on Amazon or not, and you will find this microcrystalline wax comes in different varieties. Like somewhere you will find in powder form, somewhere you will find in slab form, and somewhere it comes in the cube form. So just buy that, and as I have tell you that the ratio is 1:10. You have to use 1 part of microcrystalline wax and 10 part of paraffin wax, and then just try making out. And if you find some difficulty in carving your candle, then just increase the quantity of your microcrystalline wax.